Hello, what's up guys? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Toyota Camry 2004. You can see here this is the engine room, and this car have a problem. When I start car misfire. I will show now. See, car vibration misfiring because this cylinder not working. That's the problem. This third cylinder, 1 2 3, third cylinder not working. That's the problem. So today I will show you how you can test and how you can solve this problem. Okay, so you need one tester like this. Put like ground and then test computer pulse is there or not. Okay, so see, this is for ECM line. You can see here pulse is not there, but current is there. See, computer pulse, this line there is no pulse, but in this cylinder you can see there is a pulse. So where is the problem? That means engine computer damage, because engine computer didn't give pulse for ignition coil. That's the problem. Okay, so now we remove engine computer and see what happened. Here is the engine computer inside. Now I remove. Here is the engine computer, and for ignition coil resistance, which one I will show you. See here, those line for ignition coil, this one, because before I check, you can see here 1 2 3 4, those 3 resistance for ignition coil. Okay, so now I check with everyone good or damage. Okay, so now we check those 3 resistance. Okay, multimeter set, first cylinder, see, first cylinder 100, second cylinder resistance value 99, 100 same, and third cylinder not working. See, third cylinder resistance damage, and fourth cylinder also have value 99. Okay, so that means this third cylinder resistance damage, this one, this one. Okay, so we have to replace this resistance. When I replace this one, and then I will show you. Okay, thank you. Now I buy a used engine ECM, and here is, you can see 101 resistance is there, and now I remove this one and fix it here. Okay, so now you can see here I start car and everything is fine. There is no missing. See, everything is perfect. So now ignition coil and everything work well. Okay, computer repair, this is also perfect. Okay, great success. So if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.